Brock Edward Lesnar, born July 12, 1977, is an American professional wrestler and former mixed martial artist, amateur wrestler, and professional American football player. As a professional wrestler, he has been signed to WWE since 2021, having the previous tenures from 2000 to 2004 and 2012 to 2020. Lesnar is the only person to have won the primary heavyweight championships of World Wrestling Entertainment WWE, Ultimate Fighting Championship UFC, New Japan Pro Wrestling NJPW, the Inoki Genome Federation IGF, and the National Collegiate Athletic Association (SA). Lesnar competed in collegiate wrestling for the University of Minnesota, winning the NCAA Division I National Championship in 2000. He soon signed with the World Wrestling Federation, rising to industry prominence in mid-2002 by winning the WWE Championship at age 25, setting the record for the youngest performer to win the championship. In 2004, Lesnar departed WWE to join the Minnesota Vikings of the National Football League (NFL), but was cut from the team during preseason. He returned to wrestling and signed with NJPW in 2005, where he won the IWGP Heavyweight Championship. Lesnar later departed NJPW and continued to be promoted as the IWGP Heavyweight Champion in the IGF before taking a hiatus from wrestling to pursue a career in mixed martial arts MMA. Years later in 2012, he re-signed with WWE. His 504-day first reign with the WWE Universal Championship is the 7th longest World Championship reign in the promotion's history, and he holds the record for most reigns as Universal Champion at 3. In addition, he also ended The Undertaker's undefeated WrestleMania streak in 2014. He also won the Royal Rumble match twice, 2003 and 2022, the Money in the Bank ladder match 2019, the King of the Ring tournament 2002, and has headlined several pay-per-view events, including WWE's flagship event WrestleMania 5x19, 31, 34, 36, Night 2, and 38, Night 2 and 9 SummerSlams 2002, 2012, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, and 2022. Brock Edward Lesnar was born in Webster, South Dakota on July 12, 1977, the son of Stephanie and Richard Lesnar. Even though his surname is Slovenian, he is of Polish descent and grew up on his parents' dairy farm in Webster. He has two older brothers named Troy and Chad, and a younger sister named Brandy. At the age of 17, he joined the Army National Guard and was assigned to an office job after his red-green color blindness was deemed hazardous to his desire to work with explosives. He was discharged after failing a computer typing test and later worked for a construction company. Personal life, while Lesnar married fellow WWE performer Rena Greek, better known as Sable, on May 6, 2006. They relocated in 2014 to Canada, where they reside on a farm in Merrifield, Saskatchewan. Together, they have two sons named Turk, born 2009, and Duke, born 2010, both of whom play ice hockey. With his former fiancée, Nicole McLean, Lesnar also has twins who were born in 2002, a daughter named Mia Lynn, who competes in track and field, and a son named Luke, who also plays ice hockey. He is also the stepfather of Greek's daughter with her first husband. Lesnar is an intensely private individual who has expressed his disdain for the media. He rarely participates in interviews and avoids questions pertaining to his private life. He is a supporter of the Republican Party and a member of the National Rifle Association of America (NRA). He made an appearance at the NRAS annual meeting in May 2011 to discuss his passion for hunting and his role as a spokesman for the Fusion Ammunition Company. He is a fan of the Winnipeg Jets ice hockey team and the Saskatchewan Roughriders Canadian football team. In 2016, Lesnar acquired Canadian citizenship after representing the country in his latter UFC matches. Lesnar developed addictions to alcohol and painkillers during his first run in WWE, later claiming that he would drink a bottle of vodka per day and take hundreds of Vicodin pills per month to manage the pain caused by wear and tear on his body. He cited the incident in which he botched a shooting star press at WrestleMania 19 and landed on the top of his head as a primary source of pain. As a result of the addiction and mental exhaustion, he says that he cannot remember the entire 2 years that made up his first WWE tenure. Legal issues. In January 2001, Lesnar was arrested in Louisville, Kentucky, for suspicion of possessing large amounts of illegal substances. The charges were dropped when it was discovered that the substances were legal hormones. His lawyer described it as a vitamin type of thing. Lesnar had previously signed a non-compete clause in order to be released from his contract with WWE, which prohibited him from working for any other professional wrestling companies before June 2010. He challenged this ruling in court. WWE responded with a counterclaim after Lesnar breached the agreement by appearing at a New Japan Pro Wrestling show in 2004. In July 2005, the two sides dropped their claims and entered negotiations to renew their relationship. WWE had offered Lesnar a contract, but on August 2nd, their official website reported that Lesnar had withdrawn from any involvement with the company. The lawsuit began to enter settlement talks on September 21st, but did not get solved. On January 14, 2006, Judge Christopher Droney stated that unless WWE gave him a good argument between then and the 25th, he would rule in favor of Lesnar, giving him a summary judgment. This would have enabled Lesnar to work anywhere immediately. WWE was later granted a deadline postponement. On April 24th, both parties reached a settlement. On June 12th, a federal judge dismissed the case at the request of both legal parties. On December 15, 2011, Lesnar was charged with hunting infractions on a trip to Alberta on November 19, 2010. 2 charges were dropped, but Lesnar pleaded guilty to the charge of improper tagging of an animal. He was fined $1,725 and given a 6-month hunting suspension. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.